is this possible? We bought these tanks just last year.
Sir, the laminate is weak, poor workmanship. The supplier offered the lowest price, but compromised on quality.
We're spending more on repairs than production. We should have looked beyond the price.
Why don't you speak to FEMCO FRP? Their products last for years. Their tanks are designed as per BS 4994 standards, use premium raw materials, and they actually understand process applications.
At FEMCO FRP, we don't just manufacture tanks, we engineer reliability. Every tank is built with quality raw materials, experienced craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control to deliver long service life and dependable performance. Every product is engineered with precision, manufactured using the hand layup process, and inspected to meet stringent quality standards before dispatch. When you're storing valuable chemicals, don't buy a tank based only on price. Invest in quality, reliability, and long-term performance. Because the cheapest tank often becomes the most expensive mistake. I'm Mahesh Panchal from FEMCO FRP.